This spacious gas cooker from Beko gives you the control and flexibility you need when cooking for your family. With a 72-litre capacity, this conventional gas oven offers convenience and flexibility when cooking large meals for the whole family. With a separate 34-litre gas grill, it means you can be crisping jacket potatoes in the oven whilst your sausages crisp in the grill. The removable inner glass door and the inner panels are free from bolts, allowing them to be easily wiped clean. Perfect for anyone with a busy schedule, cleaning can now be a quick and hassle-free part of the day. The high-efficiency gas burners heats up quickly and evenly distributes temperature across the bottom of your pan. By providing less gas consumption and up to 25% faster cooking, mealtimes will be just as delicious but more efficient. With a 4-burner gas hob, gas oven and grill, this easy-to-clean Beko gas cooker is great for flexible cooking.